Hey guys, let me introduce you to blended data in Looker Studio. This will be shorter video. I have like full video for 40 minutes. This I will try to make it shorter, but talk about main topics of this theme. So, what is data blending? Data blending is a mixture of two or more data sources when you create one big common data set. The same process is also known as a join and SQL. In the Looker Studio, we have 5 options how you can join data. We have left outer join, right outer join, inner join, full outer join, my favorite one for data visualization, and cross join. I created 2 simple tables. Of course, you can do more complex stuff with blended data, but let's start from simple stuff. So I have Google Ads data with dates and cost and some metrics, and same table for Facebook. Data is not real, but doesn't matter for us. We have 2 simple tables. What else do we have? I already have my data in Looker Studio. I connected 2 tables to Looker Studio. This is Google Ads table. You see data sources Google Ads, and this is this table. I grouped it by date and platform. So we have only 3 dates here, 10, 11, 12. If you do like unique, if you use unique formula here for dates, you can see that we have like 3 dates only. Same stuff for Facebook. For Facebook, we have data for 4 dates, 8, 9, 10, 12. And we have we want to join data from both advertising system into one table. For all joins, I will use Google Ads table as a left table and Facebook Ads as a right table. How does it work? If you go to resources, manage blends, we have already here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know why we have 5 blends? Because we have 5 types of data blending, right? So the first one is left join. If I click edit, I see my left table Google Ads, right table Facebook Ads. We have date platform. We don't need it actually here, doesn't matter. And we have costs. I don't need conversions. And if we click to condition, you can see that we join 2 tables using left outer join. Here we have as options, and we use our field date to join the data. I'm fine with that. We have name for our data blending, and we can save. When we use this type of blend, we will get this kind of table, like left outer join table. So all dates that we have 10, 11, 12, the same that we have in Google Ads in our left table. Cost, we have checks summary 578, 578. But for Facebook, we don't have data for 11 of April. You see, we don't have 11 of April. So in the row with 11 of April, we will see null. Important note, null it doesn't mean 0. It's important, just keep it in mind. So this is, we don't have data. And total sum for this column will be 703. That is less than here in originally Facebook Ads data. If we use right outer join, I will select this table and our data source is right join. I click to edit. We have the absolutely same setup here, but in conditions we have right outer join. I close it, and the final table we have dates that match for dates for Facebook Ads table. We have Facebook Ads cost 1,450, it's match. And cost for Google Ads, we have less than in original data source. In the original data source, we have 578. Here we have 344, 84, sorry. because we don't have data for 9 and 8 of April, but we have data for 11 of April that Facebook Ads dataset doesn't have. So here we have this data is missing here. So for some cases, these kind of joins are good, and I use them a lot. But for our case, it will not work. You see, we always and with the left join, with the right join, we lose some data. So also we have inner join. Inner join, you see only 2 rows, 10 and 12, because only 10 and 12 of April we can find in both tables. And summary for cost will be less than an original Google Ads and original Facebook Ads table, but we can see only common stuff. This is something that I use sometimes as well. Not every day, I would say, but sometimes inner join will work when you want to show like common data for several tables. Cross joins, weird family part, family member that I almost never use cross join. Cross join is more difficult to explain. You can see the picture that there's a crossing. How does it work? We have 10 of April. We have summary 10 of April. Yeah, this was we have for 10 of April for Google. Then in Facebook Ads we have 4 rows, like 12, 10, 9 and 8. So this cross table will have this stuff. It will create 1 row for each row. Sorry. It will look like that. So it will be date Google Ads, and for 1 row from Google Ads table, Looker Studio will create 4 rows. Then it will take 11 of April and will create 4 rows for 11 of April. So we will multiply 3 rows from Google Ads and 4 rows from Facebook Ads, and in total we will have 12 rows. The number will be absolutely higher than in original tables, so it will not work for us if we want to count the total sum for ad spend for both platforms. So we can use full auto join. In full auto join, if we click to edit, you can see same stuff and condition formatting full auto join. Not line, I'm saying. And here we have date for Google Ads, date for Facebook Ads, and we have null here and null here. So I use if null formula to join our dates from Google and Facebook, and we have column with all dates. Same stuff for cost. We have cost from Google and cost from Facebook with null where for rows where we don't have information from the system. So I can use the same if null formula and some summary to calculate the total cost, and we will have total cost for both platforms. So this is how it works. Hope you like this video. I made it short, but like the main overview of blended data and joins. I have also the full video for 40 minutes where you can see all this information with more explanation, more details. And if you have some questions, probably it's better to check that video. You will see a link below, or I will try to add it somehow. What else? I can update, I don't know what chat post. I have my online store, Gaily Reports, that you can find some Looker Studio templates for marketing and sales based on different data sources. It's really nice. And also I help to automate marketing and sales reports for startups and advertising agencies. So if you're working for these kind of companies, or you're an owner of this kind of company, don't hesitate to contact me. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you want to see more theoretical stuff like that. Don't forget to give a like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and talk to you soon.